Exercise 4.3, problem 11, solution. Solve the matrix multiplication. This is a matrix equation. So x1 into 1 0 minus 2 3 into x by 5 x5 equal to 0. Null matrix. Okay. So you are getting a null matrix. Right. Anyway, nothing to worry. So let's check whether this matrix multiplication is this is one row and two columns, right? Okay, and this is 2 by 2. So we have to check. 100% it is right, but anyway we should get into the practice of checking this before going into the matrix multiplication. So this is 2 by 1, right? So here you see the rows are first column, number of columns in the first matrix equal to the number of rows. So which means matrix multiplication is defined, and you'll get 1 by 1. Am I right? You'll get 1 by 1. So you will get, I'll just write it here. Oh, sorry, 1 by 2. This is 2, right? So you will get 1 by 2. So you have to pardon me for this because it's very difficult to write here on the screen. Okay, so this you can see the number of columns is equal to the number of rows in this matrix. So which means this matrix multiplication is also possible, and you'll get a resultant 1 by 1. That is 1 row, 1 column. And that is what you're getting in the right answer. This is 1 row, 1 column. Only one element. 1 into 1, only 1, right? So that is the number of element which is right. So the matrix multiplication is defined. Now let's do the left hand side multiplication. So first we need to multiply these two, and whatever matrix we are getting, that has to be multiplied with this, right? So what is it? This is first row, and okay, so you will what matrix you'll get? 1 by 2 into 2 by 1. So you'll get 1 by 1 matrix, right? So this will be first row into first column, that will come here. First row into second column will come here. So that is what is done here. So x into 1 is x, and 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, and first row second column will come here. So x into 0 is 0, and 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. So I'm bringing down this as it is. Okay, I'm not doing anything. Now simplify this. So what will happen? This is okay. Now okay, we keep this x minus 2, and this is minus 3. Now this and this has to be multiplied actually. So first row into first column, right? So first row into first column, you'll get only one entry, and that is what you are getting here also, right? So this resultant matrix will have only one element. First row, only one row, one column, and only one element. So this will be multiplied with this, and this will be multiplied with this. So x into x minus 2, that's what I'm writing here, and this is minus 3 into 5, we'll get minus 15. Now these two matrices are equal, which means the elements are also equal. Whenever two matrices are equal, the elements of the matrices are also corresponding elements are equal. So which means this is equal to this, that is x into x minus 2 minus 15 equal to 0, or expand this, you will get x square minus 2x, and minus 15 will be 0. Now you have x square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. You know, minus 15 has to be split in such a way we have to get minus 2. And what is minus 15? That is 5 3s are 15. Minus 5 into 3 is minus 15, and minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So which means this minus 2x must be written as minus 5x plus 3x. You can take x commonly out from these two, and you can take 3 commonly out from these two. So it will become x into x minus 5, and this will be plus 3 into x minus 5, and x minus 5 is common. Okay, x minus 5 when you take out, then it becomes x plus 3. So product of two factors are 0. So either this is 0 or this is 0. When this is 0, you get x equal to 5, and when this is equal to, you get x is equal to minus 3. Therefore, the value of x is either minus 3 or 5. The solution set, actually I missed to write the solution set. You can write it as 3 minus 3 and 5. So this is the value of x. Okay. So all we need to do is first matrix multiplication, and then the resultant matrix you multiply with this, and you have to equate it. What we did, we checked whether matrix multiplication is defined and what the orders will be there, what are the resultant matrix order, and accordingly we worked out. The only place it will be little confusing is this. So after this, you can rewrite one more step as x minus 2. We have to write it as x minus 2. We can't do any further simplification. This you can write it as minus 3. Now this will be first row, only one row and one column. So first row into first column, you will get only one element, right? And the resultant matrix will be 1 by 1. That is what is also in the right hand side. So all you need to do is multiply this with this and this with this, sum it up and put it over here, because that is a 1 by 1 matrix. Right, 1 by 1 matrix means only one row, one column, and only one element, and the whole thing comes out as only one element. Okay, so I hope it's clear. If not, please go through this one more time, it will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.